Morning, it's Fish, Beach Bum Investor, with your cryptocurrency discussion and report for the 16th of February 2018. Good to see some green back in the market. Really, really happy about that. WAX, one of the biggest gainers after the Bittrex listing yesterday, which was actually announced live on this show by Zhao, who always figures out when coins are listed somehow. Anyway, Zhao announced that with us, and we've seen really, really good gains on WAX token being one of the really big gainers. But the market overall being really strong, with the market cap pushing up towards the 500 billion, half a trillion mark. Once again, good to see. Let me just update for you and get a current price, or a current market cap, I should say, and a current price on some of the coins that we've been keeping an eye on. 483.8 billion. Very bullish. Overall, Bitcoin's popped over the psychological resistance of 10,000. And as I've suggested, I don't think we'll see much resistance. Provided 10 holds, I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of resistance between 10 and maybe 11.5, 12. We'll see how we go. I think we could be out for bullish times. Floyd's in. Dilly Dilly. Hello. Blue Collar Crypto Joe. Today was a wonderful day. Took profits. Scared of Bitcoin over 10K. You think that five figures might be a sell symbol for some people? I've been watching the markets, and it seems to be driven more like as Asia woke up, it was dipping, and it recovered pretty quickly. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with Europe and the US come the next round of, well, you guys are going to bed in the US now, right? I think, roughly. Depends on which part of the US, but yeah, we'll see what happens coming into the weekend. Weekend can always cause the volumes to ease off a little bit, which can cause the prices to come down with that. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks to Zhao, Johnny Crypto, who's also over on Steemit, if you're blogging over there, for bringing to our attention the WAX token being added to Bittrex yesterday. And, well, it had taken some really, really big gains. It's still up 15% from the last 24 hours, so it looks like a lot of that growth. Well, I'm on a bit later today, so yeah, it happened around this time yesterday and onwards. But we were saying that at 30 cents, it looked to be good buying. Yeah, it's one of those tokens that actually has a use case, actually has a working business model. Yeah, 8:45 on the east coast of the US. There you go. So I'm a little bit late today. So yeah, hey, one of the things that came out that I was having a look at this morning, I sometimes do a quick flick through the YouTube videos while I'm eating breakfast. And one of the things that came out was a short video from Box Mining, who's one of the bigger YouTubers. And he was basically responding to some comments about Superman, one of the other YouTubers, basically saying that you know, everyone on YouTube is, you know, in it for financial gain, and everyone's a bit of scum on YouTube. It's an interesting perspective from Box Mining. I don't know that I necessarily agree with it, but it was interesting to see. I'm going to pop over to coinmarketcap.com and take a look at the overall market and see how we're trending, see what the big winners and losers are. But as I said, we're up to 483 billion total market cap. Just going to pop over. Okay, close this one down, and we'll go to view all. Take a look. You can see in the last hour, fair bit of green still. It's good to see. Litecoin just coming back a bit, but it's been a very, very, very strong week. You can see Bitcoin here, $10,291 on the aggregate prices provided on CoinMarketCap. For those of you who aren't aware, this takes what CoinMarketCap does is take the prices from several different exchanges, including their volume, and comes up with an aggregate total for the price. Just having a look down here, we can see Ven is back on bullish times again, up 22.38%. And I saw Walton gaining well as well, because Walton's one that I've got a bit more of. And I did put it in my top 5 for the year based on the success of RFID technology. Just trying to find Walton chain here. Oh, there it is, Walton chain, 38. So it's up 16% as well. up to $27. So RFID technology projects doing quite well. Icon was another good one, up 10%. So a lot of double figure grades. Almost go. Continuing to gain. Really, really good week for it at 45% gains. One of Zhao's top 10 for the year, Johnny Crypto. So if you're following Johnny. Komodo had a bit of a spike after we got off either yesterday or the day before. I think it might have been yesterday. Coming back nicely. Still waiting for news on the Monets. ICO, I haven't seen anything on that. Having said that, I haven't checked the Twitter account for a while. So, yeah. One of the ones I've been really happy with. Just nice steady growth, as I've suggested. PIVX up 20% for the 7 days. Kicking back nicely from those lows into the $5 range. So, yeah, really, really nice to see. Plenty of development coming out this year on PIVX, as you're aware. As I always tell you, here we are at Wax Token. I still think this is going to potentially prove to be cheap. They've got, first mover advantage in this industry, as far as I can tell. For those of you who aren't aware, Wax is a token for trading video game assets, basically. If we have a look here, a worldwide asset exchange. I'll see if I can actually jump onto the. I know that D's been on here because there's Crypto Kitties on here. So, but you can also buy, video game skins. I think they're called, like guns and knives and things like that for the action games and all sorts of things. So that can be traded using Wax tokens. Pretty interesting. I said for a long time I thought this was good value, but I set that up around $1, so I'm still a long way behind. I think this can, if it takes off, it can be at least $1 billion platform because it does have a revenue stream, and video game assets are ridiculously popular. Anyway, I'm going to pop back to the chat now. See who's in. Stop screen sharing. Tan Kai Tong. Broker Daily. Not sure I've seen that name before. Oh, Grinkers. Grinkers here. Hi all. Hey, Grinkers. What do you change names? No more Grinkers. The Crypto Wave investment crew member formerly known as Grinkers. Not many in for the convo today, man. I've come in late, so I didn't expect a whole lot on. Been working on that video I told you I was going to do. The top 5 myths surrounding the crypto economy and Bitcoin. So I've been working on that video, and my editing skills are less than perfect. So it takes me a little while to put together a video. Is it? Cool. Tan Kai Tong, I'm still trying to find a market for that to see what it's trading at. Tan Kai Tong's just said the Gladys development update number 4 is up. But yeah, I had a look on Ether Delta and couldn't see anything trading on there. I believe Ether Delta's forked, by the way. Just had a quick look this morning. I'm going to have to read more into that before I figure out exactly what's happened. But I believe another decentralized ERC20 exchange forking up Ether Delta has come about. So we'll have to do a review on that one soon. It's all quiet in the chat today. No one got anything to say when the market's booming. Oh, here's Zhao. Zhao, did you see Omasco went up a bit? IDEX has it. Cool. Oh, is it really? Where's it trading at, Tan Kai Tong? Is it on CoinMarketCap yet? Talking about Gladius here. Just trying to find out where it's actually trading. Tan Kai Tong with the info. Joe said, new ICO on Byteball platform. Silent Notary is going to certify document chats, videos, etc. on Byteball. DAG, very bullish lately. Cool. That's what I told Wilkie. I said, you can write contracts on Byteball. You can do applications on top of the Byteball network. Stephen Milner said, "Moo." It's a very informed chat this morning. Jiao said there's no orders on Gladius yet. I'll put some orders up. I'll just set it at 100x. We need volume like 100k USD to get a CMC listing. Cool. All right, no worries. I don't know where it's been traded though. Is it on Ether Delta? Or one of the decentralized ERC20 token exchange? You said IDEX, right? IDEX and Ether Delta. Okay. I'll take a look at IDEX. I've never actually checked out that platform before. So I'll have a look. Go from there. I'm just going to set ridiculously high. If no one's trading it yet, I'll just set really, really high prices. Set the market. I'm sure there's someone who's got their coins over there. Yeah, so Gladius is one that I've been waiting for. I'm really eager to see it hit some major exchanges. But it brings me on to another point, which is a couple of ICOs that we're looking at the moment. We've got them listed in the Discord group, so if you are interested, you can pop over and have a look at it. We're just waiting on a response from one of them, and it's not too late to make a commitment there if you are interested. So you can check that out. Hey Pablo, what's going on? Bloody hot here today in Australia, I'll tell you that much. Northerly winds are in. Very, very, very hot day. Yeah. Loving the Kung Fu Panda. By the way, did you see the crazy activity with GTO? 2x in like an hour, not sure why. Let's have a look. We'll have a look at GTO. We'll give it a left, right, left. Just back from Miami, said Pablo. Cool. All right, let me have a look. GTO. Ifto, never heard of it. 83 million market cap. Let's go have a look. Bring you over, see if we can figure this one out. Okay, 50% up still. Whoa, look at that pump. Bloop. Massive. I've never heard of it. Gifto, GTO. It's been around since, it's only been around since December. It's not an old one. Had its pump early on, as we often say. Trailed off. It's pumped again. Very, very steep growth here in the last little bit. Look at the volume here before the pump. And then boom, see you later. Always someone who knows something. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. 83 million market cap. 89 million volume. What? That's incredibly high volume. I'm going to go ahead and call alarm bells straight away. Lots of inflation still to come. 157 million and change currently circulating with 1 billion GTO going forward. It's currently available on Binance, buy box. Seriously, buy box. Come on. CoinNest, OKX. Most of that volume coming through Binance, as you'd expect with the other exchanges there that they're up against. That is like the volume outweighs the actual market cap. The entire market cap has been turned over once. That's interesting. Let's have a look. See what this thing's about. I wouldn't be buying on the back of that sort of spike, by the way. Wait for it to dip if you're interested. Decentralized universal gifting protocol by UpLive, highest revenue stream app to launch. Token, 100 million USD in 2017. Massive transactions, 25 million virtual gifts per month. Largest existing users to hold tokens, 20 million users. Strong team and prestigious advisors. Product began testing in Q1 2018. What is Gifto? Implement UpLive's awesome virtual gifts to all platforms. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. I know some of you will be into this sort of stuff, but I'm just like, why? Gifto protocol is decentralized universal gifting protocol for 2.2 billion digital content consumption market. Gifto protocol allows for the creation and exchange of virtual gifts built on smart contracts and blockchain technology that in turn will create a decentralized consumer-driven virtual economic system. Let's have a look at the video. Like, the thing is, I might not have it. Like, if anyone sends me a virtual gift, I will punch you in the head. But I know a lot of people are into that. So I'm not going to dismiss this straight away just because I don't want a virtual gift.
Do you know how hard it is to make money on YouTube? Only 0.3% of all videos on YouTube has more than 1 million views, but these videos can only earn $2,000 on average. This prevents most YouTubers from creating innovative content. Now, what if we could create a better way for them to earn more and have fun while doing so? Gifto Protocol is based on our successful experience running our flagship product, Uplive. In Uplive, users can buy thousands of awesome virtual gifts for broadcasters, like virtual unicorns and Lamborghinis. By virtual gifting, we enable content creators to make money directly from their fan base. The top broadcasters on Uplive earn $50,000 a month broadcasting only 1 to 2 hours a day. Thanks to virtual gifting, Uplive is now the fastest growing live video platform in Asia, generating millions of dollars for more than 60,000 broadcasters. 20 million users are sending more than 25 million virtual gifts per month. Now, by combining this system with smart contract and blockchain technology, we are able to implement this system on every content platform, such as YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. It's time to really unlock limitless earning potential for all content creators. That's the Gifto Protocol. Gifto is the decentralized gifting protocol fueled by Gifto tokens. Using Giftos, you can make instant, private, and secure payments via customized gifts to content creators online, in any platforms, in real time, and from anywhere. As a fan, you can buy virtual gifts and send them to your favorite content creators to show them your love. As a content creator, having received gifts, you can re-gift to others or redeem them in Giftos tokens. Then, you can keep your Giftos, spend them, or convert to cash. More than that, Gifto Protocol provides a whole ecosystem for gifts to be created, curated, and managed by everyone. Gifto Protocol also uses H5-based interface. Just click a link posted on any platform, and there you go. Every transaction and payment, every gift creation and consumption will be recorded on the blockchain. Easy, seamless, and awesomely fun. Gifto Protocol, the decentralized universal gifting protocol. Use Giftos, pursue your dream, and gift yourself with more possibilities.
Mm-hmm. If anyone sends me a gift, I'll send you a virtual punch in the head. Seems weird to me. Like, I don't understand the need to put a virtual gift behind it. Like, you can have payments on the blockchain to content creators without the need to tie it to a gift. And I just find it weird. And I'm sure it'll be huge. Come on, Fisho, be generous and give, says Noddy. How are you, Noddy? I didn't know it had happened, Brian. Thanks for that. Brian Moore said, thoughts on Cardano partnership with Siren Labs? No, I don't have any thoughts. I will read up on it. But D is getting super bullish on Cardano to the point where she's planning to contact them and offer her services. No bodyboarders there at Miami. Yeah. Jane's in. G'day, Jane. Sharuk. Wall Street getting their bonuses day after tomorrow, so expecting the market cap to go back up to 700 by the end of the month. It's big gains, but you know, the way this market moves, it's possible for sure. Good to see you, Sharuk. Giving Tree Cultivator, Gifto overlaps with Wax virtual goods service. Yeah. I was going to send you a virtual fish. Guess you don't want it. Nah, you send it to Dee. She's collecting them. I think she's already got 2 of them. What is your strike rate new ICOs, we haven't lost on any dilly. We got Substratum at 6 cents. We got Icon at 10 cents, 11 cents. We got, what else did we do last year, guys? We got Q-Link at 10 cents, roughly. It's now at 30. Gladius has just launched, so we'll wait and see how that goes. But Sub did actually drop into where we actually had gone lower than the ICO price at some stage on the market, but then it boomed. So it was like 2 weeks where it spent below ICO price and then it went see you later. So I don't think we've lost on an ICO as a group. Not that I can think of. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. So 100% strike rate. Knock on wood. Keep it going. I've got a couple working at the moment. Giving Tree Cultivator said, I share your nausea though, Fish. Virtual gifts dominated by cheap, shallow, and mindless content, a drain on creative energy and distraction from meaningful communication. You pretty much just summarized the world. Hey, Mike. I'm good, man. How you been? Noddy said, is D going to be Charles Hoskins' cleaner? No, I don't think so. In case you haven't noticed, D's got a fair amount of intelligence, so she loves researching. So I'm sure she'd fit in well with the Cardano team. Stephen Milner, trading on buy box last night, and there was a lot of trading going on in between the lowest sell and highest buy that I could see, like a secret order book or something. You seen that before? Stephen Milner, when you get low volume exchanges and low volume coins, you can pretty much set the top and the bottom of the market yourself. I've done it plenty of times myself. You've got pretty much even the smaller exchanges are waiting for someone to establish that market. I used to do it all the time on Cryptopia with Litecoin trading. There was such low volume that I'd set well at a minimum 20% below market rate and selling at a minimum 30, 40, 50% above market rate. And the number of times I'd hit those trades was ridiculous. Now, because of the lack of volume, Cryptopia is actually shutting down that option of Litecoin trading. And the panda's angry. So, yeah, that's taken out one of my profitable trading options, unfortunately. But I have found another one, which I'll share with you the same way I shared the Litecoin thing. Neo trading over on KuCoin is profitable, in my experience so far. The swings are quite large. And they've got a decent range of coins. I've been Neo trading Dragon Chain and Q-Link and doing very well. So, yeah, if you want a bit of a change from Bitcoin and Ethereum trading, which is Ethereum trading becoming more and more available on different exchanges, if you're looking for an option other than that, check out KuCoin. I think I've still got a link in here. I don't think there's any referral bonuses or anything for me anymore. I think they shut that down, but you're welcome to use the link anyway. Get you over to the right site. So yeah, KuCoin, Neo trading, don't mind it. Noddy said Tron would have been okay at 0.002 cents. So a fifth of a cent. Interesting. Not halting on all memes and virtual humor and such, but the consumer carnival of decadent virtual gifts reminds me of cheap candy and coked up 80s glam. Looks fun, but rots teeth and brains. Yeah. Why would you say that? I'm not going to mention that, Wilkie. And by the way, anyone reading the comments, because there's only 19 of you, so I don't have to be super cautious about this one, but Wilkie is the biggest bull I've ever seen in my life. He gets so bullish on projects. So please take what he's saying with a grain of salt. But yes, it looks fairly interesting. Did you already invest in that one, did you? Wilkie, Binance releasing Neo pairing. Sweet. Have a look at it. Mike said, I love Dragon and ETN. ETN Electronium? I think that's right. Cool. I haven't really looked much into Electronium, but I do like Dragon. I heard that the Disney backing was not as substantial as what was being rumored, but I still like the project. Interesting new site for evaluating coins. If you value the social media chat, Saloom, like a news ticker for social media. Cool. That's pretty awesome. That is actually really cool. I'll check it out. Saloom. So that's for those of you who can't understand my accent. This is probably not going to help, but Sierra, Oscar, Lima, Uniform, Mike, Echo. Wilkie said, it's already done, mate. You can't do anything else. Whitelisting done. So this is typical Wilkie. Cracks the shits at me if I don't tell him about something, but then waits to get in something himself and then shill the crap out of it. Nodio, social chat. To do with volume really helps choose coins if day short-term movements. So Saloom helps. Yeah, it makes sense if people are talking. Like I've often said, I use that myself, Nodio. I'll go and look at the big guys who've got, 100,000 doing a live stream, and I'll just go, yep, that's cool. And sit there and just go, okay, what's being mentioned? And you often see that price actually coincides with what people are asking about. Read your Discord group, you gronk. I'll read my Discord group, Wilkie. Nodio, social chat to do with volume really. Oh, sorry, I read that one. Picked up a little more Dragon, TNC being TNC track? No, I can't remember what TNC is. Oh, Trinity, of course. Yeah, I've been hearing more about that. And Cardano, and added Wax and the key last week. Cool. Yeah, the key was one we were looking at for ICO. We didn't end up doing it, and I believe it ended up trading below ICO price. So if you can get it below ICO price, no, it's all right, Wilkie. It's your investment, mate. Kind offer, though. Wilkie said, if you're nice to me, you can jump on mine. Oh, well, I was being nice to you, but I don't want to jump on yours. Does that mean I can be a prick? Wilkie's a dickhead. There's a wait list for Ocean still. Oh, I just mentioned it. It's a very long-term project. Only Q1 2019, the tokens get distributed. Yes, but that's what I'm saying, yeah. Keep everything with a grain of salt when you hear Wilkie going crazy about a coin. He was also the one who said IOTA would achieve a 33% dominance. Brian Moore, thoughts on Kyber Network and the one... Is it one chain that you're referring to there? Partnership? Do you think of the new exchange is worth a good look? Oh, I'll have to have a look at it. I'll have to have a look at it for sure. Yeah, Kyber Network looks interesting. What's the price done since that partnership was announced? Who was big on Kyber? Gee, was it you? I think it was you that was big on Kyber Network, wasn't it? There was a couple of people in our investment crew really into Kyber Network. Looks good. $2.88, up 6.29% against US dollar, up, down 1.77% Satoshi, and against the Bittrex, it's up 3.64%. Just waiting for this thing to bloody load up. I'll have to read more on the partnership with OneChain. I was going to put a bounty on that, by the way. You guys know how I usually do OneChain. Has that hit market yet? I don't think it has. Can someone keep up with me? Vitalik likes Kyber, says Nodio. Yeah, Zhao said he does. He loves Kyber. Kurt's in. Gregory Beebe said, what a day. Yeah, it's been good. Looks bullish. Like once we broke 9.5, it looked good. If it can hold 10 now and keep going up, I'm just trying to get a 486 we're up to. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, like total market cap. But yeah, OneChain, what I might do, I was thinking, guys, is pretty much Zhao's going to win this because I don't know how he does it, but he always does. What we could do is run a bounty for my PIVX giveaway this week. Let's make it 2 PIV because, guys, I got 2 staking rewards within 24 hours. So that was nice. Oh, and I just went to bring it up and hit the wrong icon. Give me a second. But yeah, I got 2 staking bonuses within 24 hours. So that was nice. So I'll give 2 PIVX away. And it's a bounty, unless it's already been released, which was going to make this whole thing pointless. But yeah, let's put a bounty on it. Whoever can announce it first on our Discord group when it actually gets released on an exchange, being OneChain, because it's something that's been really heavily anticipated. And in the past, we've profited from having knowledge of when it's hitting exchanges because of the power of the group and someone always seeing it very quickly. So let's put a two PIVX bounty on it. I'm going to bet that Jiao's probably going to win this because he somehow always gets the info first. But yeah, 2 PIVX bounty. Unless I don't think it's already been released. Someone would have told me by now in the chat. Jiao said you might as well just send me the 2 PIV already. Yeah, Jiao, I'm counting on you, bro. So I don't know. You could be sleeping. That's the thing, Jiao. That's why it's good to have the crew behind it. So we get a 24, we got 24-hour coverage with that international membership. So I'll put 2 PIV on it. I'll make an announcement up in the Discord group today, and I'll put 2 PIV on it for whoever gets it first. So there you go. Wabi climbing, but still low from the crash. Had pump and dump February 9th, under 90 million market cap from 250 million high. Yeah, Wabi looks good. I like Wabi. I like especially since the other RFID projects are pumped. Giving Tree Cultivator. Remember when back in sort of like November and December, probably the main things that started the crypto run and really probably benefited most from the overall pump was the protocols, the platforms, the Neos, the Ethereums, the Dragon chains. They probably benefited most from the pumps, People were really bullish on that. I think RFID can certainly be put in that category, as we've seen Walton Chain or Walton Coin. We've seen Ven. We've seen Wabi, all doing pretty reasonable things. But I agree. Wabi's like a lot lower market cap and hasn't moved as much, so perhaps more room to move on that one. Yeah, I reckon as well, Zhao. Zhao's theorizing that OneChain will be released on Binance first. I tend to agree, man. I've been making that theory for a while. Hey, guys, I'll show you without showing my balance. Check that out. See those 2? Well, you probably can't see it, but there's 2 like a multi-arrow. The other ones are just incoming money, and the other ones are multi-arrows. That's 2 staking bonuses within 24 hours. Stoked. Wilkie said, yeah, it probably will, but I'm hoping KuCoin just in case. I have KuCoin ready to go. Gregory Beebe. Wonder if Ven keeps going up from here until the rebrand. Maybe. The whole market seems to be running as one at the moment, Gregory. So, I'd say it depends on the overall market sentiment somewhat. But Ven was certainly one of the more popular ones before the correction. So perhaps one that people would be looking to buy up. They were bullish on it at $7 and $8 and even higher. So if you can get it cheaper than that, you should still be bullish on it, I guess. 2 a.m. Kurt, what are you doing up, mate? Zhao reckons it'll get listed everywhere, being OneChain. Shahrukh said Saudi Arabia's central bank has signed blockchain deal with Ripple. Even though I don't like Ripple, I guess it's good for crypto in general. Yes. Yeah, there was something else I heard about Ripple being used somewhere else. I can't remember. But yes, that is good for crypto in general, I guess. It validates the technology, I guess, is the best thing I see about that, Sharuk. But I mean, we're getting that already. I mean, Diamond's now came out and eaten his words, and he loves blockchain now. How many ounces were the stakes? What are we talking about? Notio. Maybe your new giveaways could be Gifto Fisho. Would seem a real sincere move from you. That screen was as clear as mud. Too much special fish times. What are we talking about? I have no idea what you guys are talking about. I'm going to leave you to your own chat. But yeah, no, don't. I won't be doing anything with Gifto unless someone like if that happens on YouTube, I guess I'll just sell it, right, and put it into PIVX, into the old savings account. Oh, PIVX gave you stakes. Okay, I got you. Stakes. No, that's a good point. Let's talk about what that is. Dry goods spell weaver. Everyone might not be aware. Fish's tartar sauce. All right. When I showed you those staking rewards, guys, what they are is residual income. Some people would refer to it as a dividend. But basically what it is that when our blocks are created, that block reward, part of that is given to people who are staking, i.e. keeping their wallet open, which is actively securing our network. And you are rewarded for that at random, depending on how much PIVX you're actually holding. Don't be cheeky. More like lamb chops. All right, that's it. Me and Panda are heading out because I'm hot and I'm hungry and I want to go get some lunch. I know I haven't been on for long today, but I've been focusing on this video. I really want to get it out because I think it'll be a good video to share with any newbies who have got, you know, a couple of these things will be people going, oh, how about this, and you can go, watch Fish's video. Explains it all. So I'm going to keep working on that video, and it's a little bit less ranty, a bit more condensed, and I've put a bit more effort into the editing. You might not be able to tell that I have, but I really have. So I'll have that, hopefully have that out by the end of today. So look forward to that. Kiwis love lamb. Push the like, said Dry Goods Spellweaver. It's been a small combo today. Blue Collar Crypto on his channel's got Ripple price action going on at the moment. If anyone wants to go and watch something after the show, graphing and all that sort of stuff he's doing, he's live now. So if you want to go over, check it out. Until then, me and demonic red-eyed Panda are going to chill out. I'll catch you tomorrow for another conversation. See you then. Stay bullish, crypto. See you, Floyd.